Automation is really changing the workforce. It's allowing us to take those tasks that were once performed by us are now being even moved further down the chain, and we're able to do very high level processes and programming.
We have a lot of growth opportunities here at Infinity. It can change, depending on if you're a field service tech, you can move up into our engineering department. If you're a panel tech, we always have opportunities for advancements here, whether it's in procurement, whether it's in shop supplies and stuff like that we need, or shipping. There's different avenues that you can advance here.
There's always something new to learn. That's one of the things that I enjoy working in Infinity. I've been doing electrical work for the past 10, 13 years, and it's never a dull moment when you always learn something new.
With our current team and how we're adding to that team, it really is limitless because automation's not going away.